Imagine yourself in this 2005 Honda Odyssey XL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are steering wheel audio controls, passenger illuminated visor mirror, power door locks, brake assist, rear spoiler, entertainment system, front-wheel drive, and fourth passenger door. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.